Hello guys, Wally back again to give you a weekly dosey, a weekly roundup of all the stocks, Nifty and the Sensex. So let's pull up a quick Nifty chart for a 3 month view, which is my favorite. I mean, I put a 3 month view and a daily view and the candlestick. So you see, decent green candles suggesting more consolidation, but we had a inverse head and shoulder, and then now it has been like consolidating. So it's pretty difficult to predict, guys. It's pretty bit difficult to predict with such circumstances where there is like so much negativity suddenly, so many coronavirus cases rising. We've clocked 50,000 cases over the weekend. So we are just rising. I mean, that graph is like only going up and over, just like the US of A. So if two major economies are showing so much distress and health concerns and all, then the only savior I believe is vaccine. The only big momentum that we are waiting for now is the vaccine, and that my friends is again a big speculation. Some people saying coming in August, some are saying September. Trump says, but Trump has given a good statement over the weekend saying, yeah, the vaccine is, we are very close. So that is optimism. That is optimism coming from Donald Trump himself for a change. So yeah, my sense is that that could be the reversal now. That could pull a big massive rally again, which could take it well over 12,000, guys. The last swing high, the highest point of all time actually has been about 12,000 levels, 12,300 levels. So we are just a stone's throw away. I mean, you remember the lower circuits that were hit? This were three lower circuits, and then we had upper circuit. So one upper circuit from here is 10% rise from here, which is 1100. Will take it to the all-time high. So if there are downsides, then there is upside as well in the market, guys. Be an optimist. Invest in good stocks. ITC has given pretty good returns, and the results have been pretty good again, excepting for the cigarette business, which was impacted due to the lockdown. Their business is steady, guys. So I would say this could be one reason why the Nifty goes up. It is a Nifty 50 share, guys. A big company, the staples, consumer durables, noodles, all those business have given good traction, and it is beat the street. I mean, the street was expecting a profit about 2,200 net profit, but it has given the net profit about 2,600 crores. So guys, I would say go for this share. You see this green candle? This could be coming, guys. Monday itself, my sense is somewhere we are seeing a gap up on this, and if you have a downside, it is limited to 190. So if you get this at 190 levels, note down the levels, guys. 190 levels is a blind buy on ITC. Go for it and buy it. BHEL has been BHEL consolidating, pretty good entry again. If you still haven't entered, people tell me, why do you discuss the same stocks? Because the same stocks are giving you good entry points. I never told you to go ahead, sell your house and invest in share market. I said whatever extra money that you have remaining, whatever fixed deposits are going to go down, guys. Interest rates are coming down. So please understand, there is no money to be made in fixed deposits. So staggered investments, you get salaries as well, right? Most of the guys watching this, I hope, are people who are working, people who have jobs, and also just nibble into it. Buy 100 shares, depending on your purchase, depending on your wealth, depending upon whatever percentage allocation you want to do. So buy small shares. So you can buy 100, 200, whatever. Now it's a very good range to buy. You see, 35 levels are decent support levels for Bharat Heavy Electrical. So go ahead, put into this. One share which caught my eye suddenly on Friday was Alok Industries. So after the long lower circuits that were hit for the last 1 month almost, see, so we started in 1st July, so it's been almost 20 days now that it started hitting those 24 days continuous lower circuits, except there was a break for a day or two when people got stuck here. So it has now finally hit the upper circuit and very good volumes. So if you have accumulated this, keep holding for the first target of 40, guys. If you are on profit on 40, you can decently go ahead and exit. If you have entered just on 25, then 40 is a very good return, guys. 70%. And if you can sell it at 50, I hope you have averaged. If you have even bought it at 50 and bought it at 30, 40, you are still in profit. So that's how you trade, guys. Get 20%, 30% in these shares. They are blind exits. So my stance on Reliance now. Reliance Industries. Look at that rally. Look at the rally. If you had watched this channel 1 month back when I had started, and if you had adhered to my advice and bought it at around 1600 levels, you would be at huge profit, guys. And we are looking at 2400. But right now I think there's going to be sector rotation. All the news has been factored in. Like, I don't know which I don't know whether now Elon Musk, Tesla is going to also enter into the race into buying Reliance Industries. That's the only biggie that is remaining. We've had Google invest in it, we've had Facebook, we've had Amazon, we've had, I don't know, everybody is ready to pump in money in this. So when everybody is so bullish on it, that's the time you get cautious, guys. That's the time you get cautious. So if you have this, continue to hold. But if you want, you can decently, on every 5% rise, keep booking profits, guys, because you never know when it's going to reverse. It might get out of flavor. This is getting into bubble territory, guys. The bubble will burst someday or the other. So before it bursts, you take your profit out, guys. There's no point just always collecting stocks and then looking at them every day and not making any profit out of it, guys. You got to make money out of it. We never talk about Sensex, so let me pull up a Sensex chart. It's again the same. All the charts are showing the same trend, guys. They are following Nasdaq. So Sensex has also risen pretty good, given a in line with Nifty, Reliance, and all. Quick chart check on Bank Nifty now. Pretty much the same, but Bank Nifty has fallen more than the Sensex. So with this moratorium being extended, coronavirus cases rising, banks could be impacted, guys. So be careful, guys. I think this is the time when, if you have invested in lower levels, book profits and wait for a correction of at least 400 points. I see 9800, 900 levels on the Nifty before the next leg up, because Nifty's been correcting, guys. The last couple of sessions we've seen decent fall. The FII flows have increased over the course of the month, but the last session we've had a decline in the flows. So let's look at the wicks. See, I haven't even looked, but I'll tell you, wicks must have risen. Okay, so yeah, you see the last couple of sessions, 23rd, 24th, it rose suddenly. And whenever the wicks rises, guys, you see there's a downfall coming. So we had wicks consolidating, and then few sessions it went down, and almost at 6 months low we had those levels. But then till 25, till it's going to come below 20 levels, we still aren't out of the woods, I can say. And there could be a few dips, guys. Otherwise, what's the fun if the market keeps rising? All the participants who feel left out don't get a chance. So that's the roundup, guys. If you want any more information on specific stocks, we do that as well. We do portfolio management, guys. So if you are a big time investor and you don't have time to monitor, we do portfolio management as well. So you can reach me out and have a nice week ahead, and I hope you make a lot of money. Wally signing off.